What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be diving into one of the most talked about projects in the crypto world right now, 𝗖𝗢. Some people are saying it could be a millionaire maker, and we're going to break it down for you, what 𝗖𝗢 is, what makes it different from other blockchains, how much 𝗖𝗢 you would need to actually become a millionaire. We're going to cover it all, so let's get right to it. Let's go. So first things first, what is 𝗖𝗢? 𝗖𝗢 is a relatively new layer 1 blockchain that's all about speed, scalability, and efficiency. It's been developed by 𝗦𝗖𝗔𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘, and the team behind it includes former engineers from Facebook, which gives 𝗖𝗢 some serious technical credibility right off the bat. 𝗖𝗢 is designed to be a high-performance blockchain, which means it's built to handle lots of transactions very quickly. One of the main goals is to make blockchain technology more accessible and scalable, allowing developers to build decentralized apps, also known as dApps, without worrying about network congestion or high fees. Basically, it's aiming to solve the problems that networks like Ethereum have been struggling with for years. Now let's talk about what makes 𝗖𝗢 stand out in a crowded crypto space. There are a few key features that make 𝗖𝗢 really interesting. First up, let's talk about its transaction model. 𝗖𝗢 uses a unique approach called parallel transaction execution. Without getting into the technical, this means that 𝗖𝗢 can process multiple transactions at the same time instead of one by one, which drastically improves its speed and scalability. This is different from most traditional blockchains that process transaction in a sequence, which can lead to bottlenecks when the network gets busy. Another cool feature is 𝗖𝗢's object-centric model. Most blockchains focus on account balances, but 𝗖𝗢 focuses on objects. In simple terms, it makes it easier for developers to manage digital assets like NFTs or in-game items. It also allows for more complex and efficient smart contracts, which can open up new possibilities for decentralized applications. Lastly, 𝗖𝗢 is designed with flexibility in mind. It supports dynamic NFTs that are very interesting. Dynamic NFTs meaning that NFTs on 𝗖𝗢 can evolve over time, or change over time, I should say, based on real-world conditions or user interactions. That's something we don't see in most other blockchain ecosystems. All right, what can you actually do with 𝗖𝗢? What are the real-world use cases? 𝗖𝗢 is built to support a wide range of decentralized applications, from DeFi to gaming, NFTs, and more. One of the most exciting aspects of 𝗖𝗢 is its potential in the gaming space, though. Thanks to its object-centric model and dynamic NFTs, 𝗖𝗢 is perfect for building blockchain-based games where game assets can evolve over time. Think about owning a sword in a game that gains strength as you use it. 𝗖𝗢 makes all of this possible. And then there's DeFi. 𝗖𝗢's scalability and low fees make it a strong competitor to Ethereum. DeFi platforms built on 𝗖𝗢 could offer lending, borrowing, and trading services that are faster and cheaper than what's currently available on Ethereum. And with its focus on speed and parallel transaction execution, 𝗖𝗢 could handle higher frequency trading much more effectively than some of its competitors. And NFTs are another use case for 𝗖𝗢. Its ability to create dynamic NFTs could really shake up things in that space. Instead of static one-time assets, NFTs on 𝗖𝗢 can evolve and change over time based on their users' actions, which could lead to all sorts of creative applications in art, gaming, and more. So how does 𝗖𝗢 compare to other layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, or Avalanche? Let's start with Ethereum. Ethereum is the go-to platform for dApps and NFTs, but it really struggled with scalability and high gas fees. 𝗖𝗢 solves these problems by processing transactions in parallel and keeping the fees low, which could make it a better option for developers who need speed and scalability. Solana is known for its speed, but it has had network reliability issues that have caused downtime. 𝗖𝗢, on the other hand, is designed designed to scale without sacrificing stability, making it a strong competitor to Solana, especially in the areas like gaming and DeFi. Avalanche is another fast and scalable blockchain, but what sets 𝗬𝗎 apart is its focus on dynamic NFTs and object-based model. This makes it more flexible for developers who want to build complex applications, especially when it comes to managing digital assets. Alright, now it's the big question. How much 𝗬𝗎 would you need to potentially become a millionaire? Let's play with some numbers. At the moment, 𝗬𝗎's price is still relatively low compared to some of the bigger players in the market. But let's say you believe in the project's long-term potential and you can see 𝗬𝗎 hitting $100 per token this bull market. To be a millionaire, you would need around 10,000 𝗬𝗎 tokens. Right now, that's not an outrageous investment if you're looking to hold long term. If you think that 𝗬𝗎 has even more potential and you think that it could eventually hit $500 per token, you would need around 2,000 𝗬𝗎 tokens to reach the millionaire status. But as always, remember that crypto is volatile. There's no guarantees that it will reach these prices. Make sure you do your own research and only invest what you're willing to lose. So could 𝗬𝗎 be your ticket to becoming a millionaire? It's definitely got the potential with its unique features and focus on scalability, gaming and dynamic NFTs. But with like any investment, it's all about timing, research and a bit of luck. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button, subscribe and watch our millionaire playlist.